guys, this is Subhash Mishra, your test coach. Today we will learn how to perform double click in Selenium WebDriver. In our previous videos, we have learnt about action class. Today we will see how to perform double click using that action class. Manually, when we test a web application, many times we need to perform a double click or right click on a button and then test different options available there, right? So if I'll show you an example, so if I'll go to this demoquay.com and if I'll click on this elements, and then here we have the buttons, right? So here you can see different buttons, right? So they have given double click one button, right click one button, and click one button. So it's basically just for your understanding, right? So if you click on this button, if you do a single click, nothing will happen. Similarly, if you do a single click, nothing will happen. You can try this manually. Okay, you can go to this website and you can do it. But if you try to do a double click here you can see you have done a double click. Means if I'm doing a double click, this message is getting displayed. Similarly, if I do a right click here, this message is getting displayed. Similarly, if I do just a click here, then this message is getting displayed. So it's like if you do specific actions like double click or right click, then only you can see this. So for example, you were testing something, a file system kind of things, right? So for example, there is a folder. If you are just doing double click, you should go inside that. So in that kind of scenario, mainly we do double click and all, right? So how we will do those things? Through automation code. So that we need to understand. That's why we are going to learn how we can perform double click in that case, right? You know, Selenium support normal click. You just need to find an element and then need to use click method. Then it will click on that web element. But it doesn't support double click in that way, right? So we need to use the action class to perform double click in Selenium. Action class has a method named as double click. It is a overloaded method, means a same method name with different signature. So one method is a simple double click method. It performs a double click at the current mouse location. We need to find an web element and need to move our cursor. So let's see how we can do it. Let me go to our Eclipse and create a new class. Okay, I will name it as, for example, double click. Okay, and let me copy the basics from the previous classes. Okay, so I'll copy this. Even I'll copy this actions things and all. Okay, let me copy this much. Fine, let me add this throw declaration. So here we are setting the property of Chrome driver. This is the path of my Chrome driver, and then we are creating one instance of the web driver. Then here we are maximizing the browser window. Okay, then we are navigating to this website. So I'll change the website here. We'll give this particular website. So let me change this link. Okay, then we'll wait some time, and then here we are creating an object of the action class. Okay, so what we'll do, actions ACT equal to new actions driver. Then what we'll do, where we'll perform the double click. So we'll try to find that element first, right? So here we want to perform the double click. So let me inspect and let me get the XPath for this, right? So here you can see ID. Okay, so what I will do, I'll write button, then okay, it's identifying. Let me check it. Yeah, we're getting it right. So if you don't know how to write XPath, you can always refer to my previous video. Okay, then what we will do here, okay, we have already written this, right? So I will use this web element is equal to driver.find element, then by.xpath. Here I will replace my XPath. Okay, so we are identifying this particular button. Okay, so here you can just write, if you want, double click button. Okay, and let me remove this so you will not get confused. So we have identified this particular button. Now we need to perform the action, that is double click, right? So how we will do that? We will do it using the double click method which is present inside the action class, right? So it is a overloaded method, right? So if I will show you, you can see it here, action dot, I'll write double click. Okay, so here you can see two things, right? One is simple double click, okay, and another one is, if you will see, set dot double click web element target. Okay, so if you go inside this method, right, what it is telling, performs a double click at the current mouse location. Okay, and if I will go here and if I will click this, what it is telling, it is telling performs a double click at the middle of the given element. Okay, so I told, right, double click is a overloaded method, because here you can see the same method with different signature, right? So one method is a simple double click method. It performs a double click at the current mouse location. We need to find an web element and need to move our cursor there and then perform double click. But this method, right, it takes an argument as web element. So here we need to pass the web element, right? So web element is double click, that's why it automatically took, right? So it performs a double click at the middle of the given element. Okay, so let's see in two different way how we can do it. Okay, let me comment out these two things. Okay, now I will show you, right? So if you want to use this method, what we'll do, anyway we have created this object, right? So what we'll write, set dot move to element, right? So where we want to move, so we want to move to this particular location. So this is the web element, right? So this is the web element, double click. So here we want to move, then what we will do, dot double click. Okay, here we are using the double click method. Then what we will do, dot build dot perform. Always you need to write dot build dot perform. Okay, so now it will do the double click. So when you will double click here, right, this message will get displayed. We will verify if this message is getting displayed in our automation or not, right? So let me get the XPath of this. Okay, so here I can see double click message. I'll just copy this, and what I'll do write the XPath. Okay, it is, we are getting it. Okay, so what I'll do here I'll write driver dot find element, then by dot XPath. Okay, here we'll write the XPath. Okay, so it will give us the XPath of this. Then we want to get text, right? So we'll write dot get text. Okay, and we will store it into a string. So string text, and finally we will do a sysout, so you can see it on our console. Okay, text is right plus text. Okay, fine. So this is one way you can do. So let me execute and show you. Browser is launched and maximized. Now it should click on this, double click, right? See, it clicked, you can see the message. Okay, we are not closing the browser, that's why it is not closing. So here you can always close it, driver dot close. Fine. So here you can also see, right, text is, you have done a double click. Okay, so similarly if you want to use this, then how you will do it, right? Again the same thing, what we will do, we will write, let me close this. So here we will use set dot, directly we will use this double click method. So we write double click, then this method, right, double click is the, this is the web element. So here we pass the web element. Then what we will do, dot build dot perform. Okay, again this thing remains same. Okay, I'll just write it text1, or I'll write text2, here I'll put text2, here we'll do text1, text1. Okay, fine. I'll just add some width so you can see it. Okay, let me execute now. Browser is launched and maximized. Demo QA.com is opening. It should click. Okay, it clicked. Okay, twice it clicked. If you'll see here, right, text 1 is you have done a double click, and text 2 is you have done a double click. It is the same message, that's why you are seeing. It will not show twice. If you click once means it will show once. But here anyway we are fetching it twice, right? That's why we are seeing two different times in two different ways. That's what I wanted to show you, right? Text 1 and text 2. Okay, that's all for today, and that's how you can perform a double click in Selenium. Hope this video will be helpful for you.
Thank you. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try to explain it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.